So now let's see how we can utilize the guided partial sketch option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to utilize that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the guided tab right here. And once I go around onto the guided tab, here you can see partial sketch is an option. So if I were to go around and then click, then you get this option right here, and you can choose an effect that you want. So you can go around and click this right here and work around with the brush size and simply go around and start selecting out where you want to apply the effect right here. So you got partial sketch, as you can see, just like that. You can go around and select out different effects right here according to the options that you have right here, as you can see. So if I were to select this or this right here, you can go around. You can go to subtract and remove out the effect areas over here as well, or go around right here just like this, go around and add it over here as well. You can work around with the brush size and work around with the opacity of the brush over here as well, just like this, and increase and decrease the level of let's say effect. So let me just go around, decrease out the brush size, and I want to actually select out the couple right here just like this, and then this is the effect. You can go around onto detail brush right here so that you can go around and fine-tune every selection right here as well, and work around with the brush size, the opacity, and subtract it out over here just as well. So I'm just going to go around and then draw around, and you can see that you can really control out what portions are seen and what portions are not seen. Then you got the soften edges option right here, as you can see. So you can really go around and then make it harsh or increase this out to soften out the transition between the part with the effect and the part without the effect. Then you can flip around the effect over here as well, as you can see, if you want that. So I just want this. I'm just going to go around and scroll down, and then this is how you can use the guided partial sketch option. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.